Hello, today I will shortly tell you about the MemReport, how to work with them and what interesting information we can gather from that information. Okay, so through your build or through your editor, because we are testing on the editor right now, we can use the command named MemReport. We can post MemReport or MemReport full. Let's test it MemReport. Okay, we gather all of the information, and in our folder with the project in saved logs, not logs, sorry, profilings, MemReports, and we here have the information from our MemReport. And let's check what we have here. Okay, so we have the change list. So from WhatCL you have the build, the development, some interesting information depends of the, because you can also that verify on the consoles, you can verify here the physical and virtual memory. And what is interesting for us? Mostly what I work with that data is like the object list resource size. And we can verify here how much amount of the textures, static meshes, collisions, materials, render targets, skeletal meshes, and any other interesting information you can verify here through the information how much memory they allocate and how much of the account they are here. So here is the information about the mostly resource object list like textures, meshes, collisions. We have also the information about the textures. So here is more generic all of the costs of our memory. But what I want to tell you also is like, okay, here is the most costly static meshes from that list. So when you are reducing the memory for your project, you should start from the top to the lowest. So here for us, first of them will be SM blah 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 blah, and we gathering from here. And there is like the textures. Mostly common is like you gather here not the power of 2, let's say 8K textures and so on. And here you can verify what is included to our project and from what point we should start to work and reduce the memory costs of our project. Uncompressed textures, okay, as well, also interesting for us. Tab target, poor memory, and okay. So from our that short video, what I want to mention you can gather that MemReports and you can briefly verify the information about the meshes, skeletal meshes, and so on. You can also put the MemReport that full. And you will gather the information, but slightly more described. Probably here will be also not the object list. Let's check it. Here the resource size, class skeletal meshes, okay. So we have here, but maybe here will be also with the skeletal meshes because I think it should be. Static meshes. Resource, yeah. So we also have here some static skeletal meshes. Okay. And okay, meshes, textures, and from here we should start to play with that values to work with them. In the next tutorial, I will briefly describe how to work with the Unreal Engine inside. Thank you.